Siliveth. It is said to be the seal stone containing Siliveth, goddess of destruction. This magical star of destruction was shattered into pieces all across the world, and those who were born with this fragment were called the Starborn. In 1192, during an age of conflict, the Archean commander Khazar sought to use the power of the star fragments as a tool of war. Khazar sent the witch Calanthea to the remote island where Starborn were hiding.
I'm sorry, child.
We need to get out of here! fight with a different weapon. Awaken the wild power in the star fragment and...
Give me your star fragment! I'll take your star fragment too! Hurry up and run! Your star fragment is...
After all these years, the memory of that day returned like a nightmare.
Who goes there?
It's you! Whoa, are you alright? Did you have that nightmare again? Please, don't feel guilty. The Elder wouldn't want you to feel this way forever. Come on, why don't you go out and get some fresh air? Oh, right. Lottie just left to go to Moonshade Town. You should follow her. I'd love to come with, but running makes my arm hurt. I'll bet Lottie morphed. If you want to catch up to her, you'll have to morph too. Oh, that Lottie. She didn't take the map again. Can you take it to her? I drew up the map because she asked for it too. All right, let's get going. Go to those stairs. Did you see that? That was Gigantrite!
Oh, I heard that it's passing Wisperian today. Oh, Vitra, why are you here? Oh, I was just about to go back and get it. Thanks. Oh, I need to repair something in Moonshade Town. Since you're here already, do you want to go to the training grounds with me? It's been a while since you've seen some action. I'm sure it's nothing too serious or urgent. Besides, today is the day when Gigantrite passes by Wisperian. Wisperian will be full of energy today, so let's take it easy. Why don't you take this chance to try out a different weapon? You can't keep using that broken sword forever. Then we can go to Moonshade Town. What do you say? Now, let's go.
Stairs are broken. Be careful, my friend.
Seems like Clay is here too, given a special occasion.
Today's the day where the massive divine beast called Gigantrite comes by. Gigantrite is
Oh, I'm surprised to see anyone here today. Want to try out some weapons? At the training grounds, you
You're
can
new
try
to
out
these
different
weapons,
weapons
right?
and
Let
see
me
which
teach
one
you.
you like best.
Well, I'm sure you already know you can equip up to 2 weapons. Try out different weapons and find a weapon that you like. Ah, you're new to these weapons, right? Let me teach you. Swords, greatswords, and daggers are weapons used in melee. Swords are used with shields. Find one you like, then try it on the practice dummy. Ah, you're new to these weapons, right? Let me teach you. Oh, you like that weapon? It suits you. we go to Moonshade Town? Dumore, we're going to Moonshade Town. Can you open the gate?
Sure, Lottie. You'll have a good view of Wisperian on the way, too.
Have we spent too much time? Should we hurry?
Whenever Gigantrite visits Wisperian, the town buzzes with excitement and energy. During such an event, you and Lottie left Wisperian's fortress to visit Moonshade Town.
What's going on here? Let's go and check it out. I'll go over first. Follow me with your piton and grappling hook. Huh?
The watchtower was destroyed by an attack. Although the path was now blocked, you and Lottie made use of the piton and your grappling hooks to continue onward.
It looks like the cart was destroyed by artillery.
Huge ball of fire. Ugh. I've never seen such a...
No. I see a lot of black mid-trans. Let's take care of this quickly, then get to Moonshade Town. Watch their movements carefully. Look for an opening for a counterattack. Who could have done something so horrible? We use the pulley, we'll reach the town in no time. Let's use the pulley to reach Moonshade Town. We're almost there. This can't be happening. The pulley lift is broke. We can't get to Wisperian with this. This lift would let us cross Wisperian to get to Moonshade Town. It's the only way to get there without a boat. This is bad. Burmetz is here. Maybe he has an idea. I will try to find a way. You go ahead and take care of the injured.
Burmetz,
Oh,
can you
then
fix
it's a
this?
Lottie. Well, between the two of us, we'll have it fixed in no time. Shall we get started?
Thank you. Wisperian was hit too. Can you check it out?
trance that appeared on your way to Vesperian. While Vesperian was still intact, a broken pulley lift prevented you from reaching Moonshade Town. Suddenly, a mysterious being bathed in light appeared and led you to the top of the great tree.
Kyra! Clay! There are still people in the town!
Not good! We need to rescue them! Hurry!
We can't, Kyra. It's too risky to move our troops now.
Damn it! With the pulley destroyed, reinforcements can't reach us!
Is there some way... Oh, someone's coming! You, how did you get here? I thought the pulley lift was broken. I don't really understand what you're saying, but if you got here with the glide morph, you must have the power of a star fragment. I hear that those with the power of a star fragment can communicate with mysterious entities. Ah, forgive me. My name is Clay Carter, from the Resistance. For some reason, you seem kind of familiar. Oh, I see. You escaped with me. I'm glad to see you're safe. But now's hardly the time to chat. For now, will you lend us your strength? Thank you. Captain Kyra and I will fight the Archeum forces on this side and find a way to get in. We'll need you to go into town and rescue the residents with the Resistance. Please be careful. When this is over, let's be sure to meet again.
After arriving on top of the great...
Damn the Archaea! These recruited orc warriors!
Fury Spear! Now go!
Take Vesperian star fragment and capture all who bear the power of the stars! Please! Khazar will have to recognize Zarok!
The other side.
Watch out!
I've got this. I'll destroy the turret first!
Now die! We can take your star!
as well! King Vert! We must... Fury! Now! Let's hurry!
Submit to the power of darkness!
This is too much! Watch out! King Vert is a powerful foe! Create dark magic!
Like a friend skill against Titan's Fury attack!
We really win?
This is the power of a rampaging star fragment.
I'm sorry, child.
Children, this way!
Hey, wake up! That's strange. I wasn't told about any serious injuries. Hey, are you awake? Do you recognize me? Oh, nice. You wait here. I'll call the healer now.
He lost everything here 10 years ago. Now challenges the might of the Archean Legion. Starborn bravery and determination, forged in celestial fire.
Are you in any condition to move? I'm on my way with the healer.
What happened? Do you have any idea how worried I was? I thought something happened to you. Clay is waiting inside, so hurry up and go see him.
I heard someone took down that giant orc alone. That's crazy.
You did good. You're finally awake. Come this way. Thanks to your defeat of King Vert, we were able to fight off the Archeum. The portal in the sky has closed as well. We were about to be killed by King Vert when your star fragment went into a frenzy and overwhelmed the enemy. If you hadn't been able to defeat him, none of us would have survived. I'm thankful the Elder protected you 10 years ago, so that today we could stand together to defend Wisp Island. Speaking of which, I'm sure you feel guilty over what happened to the Elder. You didn't cause his death. You should know that. Please, don't blame yourself. That said, are you all right? Your power, it's clearly too dangerous to leave as is. When a star fragment's power overloads like that, it takes a heavy toll on the bearer's body. It could even kill you. Carrying such a powerful star fragment makes you a target for the Archeum too. A decade ago, Khazar and Calanthea invaded this island precisely to steal that power for themselves. That power is unpredictable when it's in a frenzy. It will hurt innocent bystanders who get too close. I have a friend named Martinet in Castleton, a town in Laslan. She's researching the effects of star fragments. I believe she can help you. Here, take my token. Show this to the storage manager named Melky, and he will help you. When you are ready to leave, touch Luna Zero's head to temporarily enhance your glide ability. That should get you all the way to Castleton. I wish you all the best.
And always together.
Have you tried using the storage? It's very convenient.
Welcome, brother! First time in castle. What's all that stuff in your bag? We can even help take your stuff to the crafters.
Lord Hobbs of Laslan resisted Revolupius, who had usurped the throne, but his dominion was taken by the Archeum Legion. However, Laslan was freed again by the Founders' Order, led by Captain Da Vinci, and the Laslan Allied Resistance Forces were founded here.
The gods check.
need something? Do you need anything? Yes, welcome. Ah, good. I see you have Clay's token. I don't know what the nefarious Archeum want with her. But under these circumstances, we have no choice but to be wary of outsiders seeking Martinet. Oh, sorry for stalling. You need the rest of the passphrase to find Martinet. The first part of the phrase is the light fragment. Ask the skills researcher for the other half. Just say you're looking for a red flower.
That was close. I can't believe the ghastly tales were true.
Looking for a sundries crafter? You've come to the right place.
Do you want to make your... Any questions about skills? So, Clay sent you. The second half of the password is Whispers. If you want to meet with Martinet, head to the Castleton Infirmary on the north side of town.
By the way, many of the townsfolk, including myself, have been brought to health by Martinet's healing skills. Please take care not to let anything happen to her. Keep an eye out for anyone suspicious on your tail, just in case.
At first, Melky pretended not to know anything about Martinet. It turns out she had gone into hiding, fearing the Archeum Legion. When you showed Clay's token to the villagers, told you where to go, and gave you the full password, the light fragment whispers.
Wasn't expecting any visit. Haven't seen you around before. So what brings you here? I see. Clay sent you to me because of my research. The truth is, my sister Adriana also suffers from bouts of mana frenzy. I've been searching for a cure. If you're suffering from the effects of mana frenzy as well, a mana calming potion can alleviate your symptoms. I'd brew one for you, but I just used my last batch of ingredients. And unfortunately, I must stay here for the time being. Then I'll tell you where to go and what I need. Head to the Golden Apothecary in the Golden Rye pastures. You'll be able to find some rancid powder. Bring me some rancid powder, and I'll make you an improved mana calming potion. You know how to use waypoints, right? If you aren't sure, go ask Priestess Grace. Using them makes it a breeze to return after procuring materials. Oh dear! You look... Your symptoms are clearly getting worse. Hurry, bring me some rancid powder.
Castleton Infirmary has been closed for some time, due to rumors that the Archeum Legion was hunting Martinet. It was to trick them into thinking that Martinet, who had worked as a healer there, had left. While in hiding, she is still researching a cure for her sister's star fragment side effects.
have unanswered questions. Waypoints are one of the greatest. It was the wizard Clay who... Try placing your hand on the waypoints in the plaza.
This was once the most prosperous granary in Laslin, but after the cursed
The
rain...
Einar priestess Grace introduced waypoints as a great integration of Venelux magic. Teleportation was a rare skill that was only used by a few wizards. When the wizard Clay completed the schema for waypoints,
What should I do?
How can I help you? I'm just an apprentice, but rancid powder. I know how to make it, but... I can't. I haven't received the Master's approval yet. What if I just collect decomposed hearts from violent harvesters, poison stingers from wasps, contaminated horns from scarabs, and mandrake roots from the mandrake farmstead? Once you have all the ingredients, go to my master at Wind Hill Shores. He'll make you the rancid powder.
in the apothecary at the Goldenrye pastures works the always gloomy Oliver, the herbalist's apprentice. Oliver has been an apprentice there for some time, though he has yet to gain the approval of his master. You've heard that the locals pitied the outstanding apprentice, a gifted student who suffered under his eccentric master.